All right, everybody, welcome back for another deep dive.
Yeah.
Today we're going to be focusing on self-improvement.
Cool.
Specifically, we're going to be diving into Teacher Sam's tips on recording yourself speaking and how that can make you a better communicator.
I like it.
Yeah, so, I was reading through this and I was like, wow, this is kind of brilliant.
Yeah.
This is like such a simple idea, but like it's something that you don't really think to do. I mean, at least for me personally.
I think that's true for most people.
Yeah.
It's kind of like we don't often have the opportunity to really analyze how we're communicating.
Right.
And a recording gives you that objective view that you just don't get.
Yeah, and like Teacher Sam points out, when you're talking, you're not thinking about like, oh, am I saying, or am I,
Right. Are you rambling?
yeah, am I rambling? Are my sentences like really long and confusing?
Are you breathing?
Yeah, exactly.
Are you pausing in the right places?
Yeah, yeah, and like when you're just talking, you're not thinking about those things. You're just thinking about getting your point across.
Right.
But when you record yourself, you can actually like really hear yourself.
It makes you realize those little things that
Yeah.
you might not even notice in the moment.
Totally.
Like, how's your pronunciation?
Right.
Is your grammar on point?
Oh, for sure.
How are those sentences structured? Are you all over the place?
Yeah.
Makes you think about that presentation you gave last week or that important conversation that could have gone better.
Yeah, totally. And, Teacher Sam even says that, like, recording yourself can actually be like a really life-changing habit to pick up
I can see that.
because it allows you to pinpoint those weaknesses and like really track your progress over time.
It's true. And imagine, like, months down the line, you can listen back to those early recordings and really hear the difference.
Totally. Like it's like a benchmark.
Exactly. You can celebrate those wins
Oh, for sure.
and really see the growth
Oh,
in your
yeah.
communication skills.
Totally.
Yeah.
I love that. And, here's something that Teacher Sam suggests doing, and it's like a pro tip,
Okay.
which is to actually like compare your recordings to those of native speakers.
Whoa. Interesting.
Yeah, like, pick a speaker that you admire, somebody who, you think has like really good fluency and like,
A smooth delivery.
yeah, and like listen to their recordings and kind of like compare them side by side with yours.
And really break it down. Like,
Yeah.
what are they doing that's different?
Yeah.
How are they phrasing things? How's their pronunciation?
Yeah, and then like you can really pick up on these subtle nuances
I love that.
and like really refine your own speech.
Yeah, because you start to pick up on those things that you might not have even noticed before.
Right. Exactly.
It's like they say you don't know what you don't know.
Exactly. And like I can only imagine how much more confident you would feel like once you start closing that gap between
Yeah.
your speech and the speech of a fluent speaker.
Totally.
Like it's amazing.
Yeah, it's about refining your communication skills
Yeah.
in every aspect of your life.
Yeah.
This doesn't just apply to like presentations or formal conversations. Think about storytelling,
Right.
practicing for job interviews,
Totally.
even improving your singing voice.
That's a good point.
It's all interconnected.
So it's like basically recording yourself is a simple but like
powerful.
super powerful way to really reach your full potential.
100%. It's all about self-awareness,
Yes.
targeted improvement, and celebrating those wins along the way.
Love it.
Who knows what other areas of your life this technique could be applied to?
Ooh,
Food for thought.
yeah. That's something to think about.
All right.
All right. Thanks for joining us for another deep dive.
See ya.
We'll catch you guys next time.
Bye.